Hi guys, I have got my HP touchpad finally, and it was a bit expensive compared to the sale that HP put on the website. Unfortunately, I didn't get at $99, but I went and I went to the Craigslist and got it at bit double the price. But nevertheless, I really want to buy this product, and it's really a nice OS. So I want to give it a try and see how it comes out. Ten, 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 ten. From where to go? Where to go? Okay, it's nicely packed. So yeah. Okay. So here goes the wrapper. I'll put it away. And nicely built. The box really good. I mean, when you hold it in your hand, you really feel you have a nice product inside. So let me pull off the final tapes at the end. Alright, so here we go. Dun 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 dun. Yeah, HP touchpad. Wow. So this is the HP touchpad. Looks nice, nicely packed. This is my first touchpad. Let's see what else we have. Now comes with the fun part. Let's open what's the fun part in this. So these are the manual. Oh, there's a nice cloth for the screen. Safety information, limited warranty. Just for the information, it has 1 year warranty and 90 days support from the tech team. Navigation guide will tell you how to use it. Let's give you a quick look. We'll go through it later. And start getting started. Something. Okay, documentation part we can keep aside. Let me put it into this guy itself. What else we have? So here is the indication that there's a charger, there's a USB cable. So this is the USB charger that you can hook it into the wall, and the other part you can put a USB in. So there's a micro USB cable here, and the other side is normal 2.0 USB cable. Okay, fine. Let's unwrap this. Nice. Weight, it's not that bad. I mean, I don't feel that it's heavy. I want to read, I can read it. I can hold in one hand, two hand, landscape mode, or horizontally. And there's a camera at the top. There's a 3.5 mm jack for listening music. It might not be quite visible, but here it is. But it doesn't come with a earphone. That's surprising to me. Anyway, there's a volume bar here at the side, and there is a slot for the USB. You can hook it in and plug to the computer, and there are two speakers right here, one here, one here. The important thing is these are the Beats speakers, so I'm expecting a good sound volume from here. There's a button at the top, I guess. Let's start it, and there's a button at the bottom. I'm gonna press this button, and this is the moment it should come out. I'm pressing it. I'm pressing there. No. Oh, here comes. Can you see that HP logo? It's booting up. Let's see how much is the booting time. It's taking a bit more time. Maybe this is the first time I'm starting the device. So they have written wait for the setup to start. Finally, my touchpad seems to be working. Let's press English, United States. Confirm English, United States, yes. Okay, so it's asking for the network that I am aware of. Okay, let me input the password and then sign in. Tap to configure IP address. IP address, automatic IP address settings is off. Let me turn it on. Done. There are some terms and condition. I don't know what are these, but let's continue with this. Create a new account, email. Let me put in the email. Let's see the typing experience. So I'm creating the account. So account creation is in progress. It is asking for the Webos account. Okay, there are some terms and conditions. Do the location service, find your current position, auto locate off. I accept terms and condition. Continue. The device will restart in a moment. That's the message I'm getting, guys. So far not bad. So now the device is restarting. Wow, started. Very nice, very nice. Oops. Let me go and browse something. Let's open yahoo.com. So it gives you some clue that you want to open yahoo.com. The response time is not at all bad. You can pinch in, pinch out. Nice. Let me open web images. Google. What is at the top is the preferences. What do we have in preferences? Pop-up block, accept cookies, blah blah blah, clear history. Done. And it will return me back to the same page. Let's go to the images and let's open flower, for example. Very responsive. You get a flower images. Let's check the full screen size. Nice, nice. And you want to go back, very responsive in browsing. So good at browsing. Let's do something else. So here are the two apps that I have opened. I want to chat. So what do we have in chat? Let's see. Oh man, I'm just at home, not going office. Very bad. Skype. Let me configure Skype. Okay, I'm signing in to the Skype. Let's see if I can make some call. Yeah, the demo is over. Thank you for watching.